Hello YouTube, this is a cold start of a late 80s, early 90s Yanmar ym122. No clue when it was made. I don't know if you can figure out when these were made, or, I honestly haven't tried. But this tractor is a 12 horsepower single-cylinder liquid-cooled diesel. As you can see right here, it's not your typical under hood view of a garden tractor. And it's like 70 degrees out, so it's not a true, super cold start, but it hasn't ran for a while. It is cold. You can see the radiator there. Let's go ahead and start it up. This thing's pretty damn cool. It has all sorts of idiot lights and stuff. Decompression release that came unhooked, so that doesn't do anything. But it has glow plugs, so it should work. So we'll glow it here for a bit, even though it shouldn't take much to kick it over. She sure is clattery when it's cold, though. Or when the engine's cold.